Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook login error on mobile. Without any further ado, let's get started. If you're having trouble logging into your Microsoft Outlook app, the first thing you'll want to try is clearing the app's cache and storage. Start by opening your phone settings by tapping on the gear icon. From your settings menu, look for the apps option and tap on it. You'll be presented with all the apps you've installed on your mobile phone. From the list of apps, look for Microsoft Outlook and open it. You'll be directed to Outlook's App Overview page. Under the App Overview screen, look for the Storage and Cache option. From here, you'll see two options, Clear Storage and Clear Cache. Simply run these two features to clean your Outlook app and open it in a fresh state. This step is crucial because accumulated cache and stored data can sometimes interfere with the login process, causing errors and preventing you from accessing your account. By clearing these, you're essentially giving the app a clean restart, which often resolves login issues. Now, another possible cause for login errors is that you might be using an outdated version of Outlook. Older versions may have bugs or compatibility issues that prevent proper login functionality. To check this, head to your Play Store app and look for the search bar at the top. Type in Outlook and tap on the result. Once you're on the Outlook app page, check if there's an update available for your app. If you see an update button instead of open, tap on it to download and install the latest version. Updates often include important security patches and bug fixes that address login problems. After updating the app, open Outlook again and try logging in. The combination of clearing the cache and updating to the latest version should resolve most login errors you might encounter. And that's it, you've successfully fixed the Outlook login error on your mobile device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.